Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby007 channel. Wanted to share with you today some breaking news from the Atlanta Car Model Enthusiast, or ACME, in Atlanta, the hosts of the Southern Nationals every year. On the move. Well, I'm going to read you just a couple of, the opening paragraph, and then give you some highlights of what's happening for 2023. For 27 years, the Smyrna Community Center served as home for the ACME Southern Nationals, and during those years, our show grew from a local to a regional and to a national show. The 2019, 2021, and 22 shows averaged 110 plus entrants, 550 plus models entered, and 23 to 27 states represented by those entered. Pretty amazing. Thanks for supporting us and for making our show what it is. And guys, I've been involved in putting on shows in the past. I know how much work goes into it. And to do one on such a scale as you guys do, wow, hats off, hats off. It goes on to explain some of the difficulties and things that have happened with the community center there in Smyrna, and many thanks for them. But I'll be honest with you, I thought they were outgrowing it as well anyway. But there were a few other issues as far as parking with all the construction this year and other things. And there was a few things I found out that I'll cover here in just a second that I didn't know. But as they went into the new location, by the way, let me go ahead and give you that information, is the Clarence Brown Convention Center in Cartersville, Georgia. It's about 20 miles. I think it's just north of Smyrna on I-75. It's really close, not far away. It says here we looked at 6 venues and 4 of them did not meet our requirements. One provided the space but not the atmosphere you expect from ACME. Some of the highlights of the new venue. Now get this, guys. 12,000 square feet of event space. That's triple what they had at Smyrna. 450 parking spaces on a flat parking lot. Separate loading area and parking for vendors. Now that's great. Vendors may set up on Friday if desired. And I know a lot of shows, that's a big thing to be able to be ready the next morning. Separate entrances for vendors and early birds. That way you avoid a lot of the confusion. Enlarged display area for models with wider aisles. And you know, there's always such a crowd there that they definitely needed that. Kudos, guys. More vendors. Now, this I did not know. We typically turn down 15 vendors a year. Wow. So more vendors. You think we're sitting great now? Multiple year scheduling. The host hotel is 2 years old and directly adjacent to the convention center. So basically just walk right across the street, I guess, basically. Many family-friendly attractions in the area, which are easy to attend and enjoy. So awesome stuff there. Along with the change in the venue, we are changing the date to the last weekend in October. Moving this weekend provides the least amount of disruption or conflict with other shows, as well as issues associated with the World Series. And if you remember last year, there was a World Series party after the Braves won. I mean, it was a big thing, and it traffic-wise, it took a little while. By the way, and they also mention in one of the other paragraphs down here that this convention center and the hotel are really adjacent right off apparently the exit of I-75, so really convenient. And the dates for 2023 are October 27 and 28. The themes for this year, and I think this is on their website and their Facebook page, so go visit that. 100 years of Le Mans, 70 years of Corvette, and NASCAR. And I don't remember, since I've been going, and that's been many of these years, that the theme was actually NASCAR. And I think that encompasses all divisions of NASCAR. So that'll be, I think, modified, late model sportsman, all of that kind of stuff too. And at the bottom, and I'm sure, like I said, on their website as well as their Facebook page, go to the bottom where you see the highlighted in either blue or red and click on the Clarence Brown Convention Center. You can take a virtual tour of the convention center, as well as the information for the Marriott Courtyard there across the street, or adjacent, as they said. I know there's not a discount code or a code yet for ACME, so you may have to wait on that. I think they're going to have that out in the next week, as I understand it, maybe by Wednesday. But they'll have that out, so you'll be able to book in advance. And guys, if you have not been to the Southern Nationals, to this show, you need to plan on experiencing this. It's a great show, always has been from the first time I was there. Like I said, these guys work hard. They put on a great show. And again, on the Facebook page or the website, you can find all of this material. You can read it over for yourself. I'm sure I've skimmed over something, but I know I am really jacked about this, and I've read some comments that other people are. Even my buddy Clay Kemp here is really jazzed about it. Yay! Clay's dancing. Yay! Thank you, Clay. But so we're jacked up and jazzed about it and ready to get going, and we're going to have some fun. We're going to have some fun. And like I said, if you have not been to this show, go ahead and make your plans now. You got plenty of time. Jump in on those themes. You guys know me by now. I love themes. I started a Corvette a couple of years ago that I'm going to go back and finish now for the theme. I have a couple of NASCARs in the works, and I may take some old stuff just to run the numbers up a little bit. Don't know much about Le Mans cars, but I've been considering one anyway. But plan now. You got plenty of time. Let's get it done, and let's show them some love and support. Thanks a bunch, guys. If you're not a subscriber, head over, hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Got some great ones upcoming. God bless. We'll see you later, guys.